All right, I'm going to do some ribs today using the Barbecue Drip Easy Extra Large Tub as well as the Rest Easy Q-Crib Meat Resting Station. Let's get after it. So you can see with the tub, I can cut on it. I can use it to season my ribs, which I'm doing here. The new tubs have a little bit of four locking tabs. Shake it up, get that Uncle Steve Shake Magic Rib rubs all over those ribs. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Let's take you over there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Sorry about the focus. All right, got the egg fired up, indirect. We're doing party ribs. That's why they're cut into riblets here. We're going to get these guys on. I got the smoker at about 250, 275. And get those on. And we're going to start cooking. Say we got some nice color. We're going to flip those over. And I think they're ready to go into pans. So we're going to pull all these ribs. You put it in a couple of different pans because one large one just wouldn't fit. And we're going to kind of treat them like burnt ends. We're going to hit it with some more of that magic rib seasoning and some honey, barbecue sauce. Actually, we're not using honey. We're using agave syrup, some brown sugar, some butter, and my boy Blazing Stars barbecue sauce. If you haven't tried it yet, go get yourself some. It is tasty and perfect for these ribs. So we're going to get the sauce down first on both pans. Cover those ribs nicely. Let's go in with some brown sugar because we want those ribs to be sweet, baby. Sweet. Let's go. Just a nice little dusting of brown sugar. You don't need to go crazy. You don't want it to over caramelize and burn while it's in the pan. So you can use honey. I used agave syrup. Just kind of like it a little bit better. Again, same thing. The sweetness. We don't want to use too much. Just enough. That'll also help pack up those ribs in a little bit. Of course, you got to have the butter. Got to get some fat in there. So I used about 1 stick of butter per pan. Use as much as you want, but I think that's a good amount. Could have done you a favor and already sliced up that butter, but you know, just sit here, watch, get that mouth watering. It'll be worth it, I'm telling you. All right, one more little dust of Uncle Steve's Magic Rib Shake. This is good stuff, baby. Good stuff for ribs. Award-winning. All right, let's wrap those up because we want this to just kind of braise. We want those ribs to get tender. Want that butter to melt. It's going to be so good. We're going to get both those pans back in there. The Big Green Egg's rolling at about 300 degrees now. Just a little bit warmer to get these all braised up nicely. And I probably went in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. See, I got that tub ready to go. Show you what we're going to do. So let's get all these little ribs out. I'm going to throw them in the tub. They're already looking good, but we still got one more step to do. I caved in one side of my tub. Don't worry about it. All it does, takes a quick little pull up, and you're good to go. So I got the rest of the liquid out of those pans, put that together. We're going in with a little bit more of that Blazing Star barbecue sauce. Can't tell already, that tub is perfect for this. No muss, no fuss. That'll hold a lot of meat too. This is the XL version. So again, we're gonna make sure those are nicely coated. They're all, I mean, you could really stop now and start eating, but we're just gonna get these back on. I just want them to tack up a little bit. We're still indirect. We're probably gonna go maybe 10, 15 minutes just to get these all tacky. And these party ribs are ready to go, baby. Let's get them back in the tub. Those are looking good. And let me tell you, they were smelling good too. So we're gonna get those in the tub. We're gonna put that locking lid on, and I'm gonna show you why. You always wanna rest your meat. That's exactly what we're gonna do with these ribs. As hard as it is. All right, time to put together our Rest Easy Q Crib Meat Resting Station. Now this thing is lightweight. It breaks down. You put it together in a second. But this is perfect whether you're resting ribs, pork butts, steaks, brisket. Easy peasy. So let's put it the right way. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it. Little spinny spin. In goes the Barbecue Drip Easy cutting board. The bamboo cutting board is also a shelf. How awesome is that? We're going to slide that extra large tub with our ribs right up top. You can see that you got plenty of room down below. And this thing is going to rest. Our ribs are going to be nice and warm and steamy. Now, finally, we're about ready to eat, baby. But first, of course, we got to pull them out. We got to get some pictures, little videos. Let's stack some of these beautiful. Look at that color. Oh, man. Just 2 racks. That's all this was. But super easy. Super delicious. The Rest Easy Q Meat Resting Station, as well as the tub, made everything super clean, super easy, and there we go, baby. Ha ha ha. Boom.